Innovation isn't just about where you are today. It's also about where you've been and where you're going. This is our latest advancement, M&P12. Purpose-built for serious protection. Developed for exceptional maneuverability. Ideal for tight spaces. Designed with a similar ergonomic adjustable grip as our M&P 2.0 pistol lineup. The M&P12 grip can be fit to your hand for optimal trigger reach and recoil control. The M&P12 is built to give you options, and that includes ammo. Run different shells, mini, 2 3/4, 3-inch, mix and match. Designed with load assist for easier, more comfortable loading. With a wide range of shell compatibility, you choose the shells that best fit your needs. Engineered with the same controls you're familiar with, a platform built for options and accessories. Stay focused on protecting what matters to you. At the end of the day, we're empowered to create the world we want to live in. So, we must prepare for the worst, but we must always expect the best. Smith & Wesson, empowering Americans.